Hey, what's up guys? Ted here, Davis AutoSports, doing a quick progress video of this 05 Wrangler that we have for sale. Beautiful, beautiful Jeep. So far, the full detail job has been completed. The exterior and the interior. We've done the full paint correction service, wet sand, buff polish of the paint. Absolutely beautiful. I love this orange crush color. You mix that with enough of the black. Great looking Jeep. The interior, all the seats, carpets were removed, fully detailed and reinstalled. The only thing left is to go in the shop. It's going to get a 2.5-inch suspension lift. We're going to check it over. I know this is going to get a valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, and a rear main seal, so that will all be done. Obviously an oil change will be done with that. The 2.5-inch suspension lift we're going to do is going to have front and rear coil springs, front and rear shocks, heavy duty steering stabilizer, and we're going to check it over to see if it needs any tie rod ends, stuff like that, brakes, pads, rotors. It's going to have 16-inch Rubicon replica wheels, 33-inch BFG all-terrain tires. The soft top was just recently installed. We threw on the front bumper and the fog lights. We painted the headlight rings black to go with the rest of the Jeep. We removed your flares, scuffed them, repainted them black for a like new appearance, as you can see. Again, just a beautiful little Jeep. Automatic 4.0 liter four-wheel drive. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Ted, Davis AutoSports, 804-852-4907. You can call or text me there. The Jeep is for sale as it sits. Also, we could do a custom build for you to your specifications. So if you didn't want a 2.5-inch lift, we could do a 4-inch lift, 35-inch tires, or whatever you'd like to do. It is for sale, and again, we can do a custom build. 2.5-inch lift will go on in the next few weeks. Obviously, we've been a little bit behind just due to the virus and some closures, people staying out, quarantine. One more time, Ted Lambert, Davis AutoSports, 804-852-4907. Thank you.